The universe is full of whispers, strange and fleeting signals that reach out across the vast emptiness of space, teasing us with their mystery. Some last only milliseconds, others repeat for years, and a few vanish before we can even begin to understand them. These cosmic enigmas challenge everything we know about the universe and make us wonder if we are truly alone. One of the most famous and enduring mysteries is the wow signal. In 1977, a radio telescope at Ohio State University picked up an incredibly strong, narrowband radio burst unlike anything astronomers had ever heard. It lasted exactly 72 seconds, coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, and was so unusual that the scientist who discovered it, Jerry Eman, circled the data on the printout and wrote "wow" in the margin. The signal was never detected again, despite repeated searches. Was it a natural phenomenon, a glitch, or something more? Some have speculated it could have been a one-time burst from a distant civilization, but without further evidence, the wow signal remains one of astronomy's greatest unsolved puzzles. Then there are fast radio bursts, or FRBs, brief but incredibly powerful blasts of radio energy that originate from galaxies far beyond our own. The first FRB was discovered in 2007, buried in old telescope data, and since then, astronomers have detected hundreds more. Some, like FRB 121102, repeat in irregular patterns, while others are one-off events. The leading theories suggest they might come from magnetars, highly magnetized neutron stars, or perhaps collisions between dense cosmic objects. But not all FRBs fit neatly into these explanations. Their sheer power and unpredictability have led some to wonder, could they be artificial? Could they be the byproduct of advanced alien technology, like massive energy beams powering interstellar spacecraft? While most scientists lean toward natural causes, the possibility of something more can't be entirely dismissed. Before FRBs, there was the case of LGM-1, a signal so strange that astronomers briefly considered it might be a message from extraterrestrials. In 1967, graduate student Jocelyn Bell noticed a pulsing radio signal so precise it seemed engineered. The pulses came every 1.33 seconds, like clockwork, leading some to joke that it might be little green men trying to communicate. But further study revealed the true source, a rapidly spinning neutron star, or pulsar. While this solved the immediate mystery, it's also taught scientists an important lesson: nature can produce signals that look eerily artificial. Not all signals have such clear explanations, though. In 2020, astronomers detected a tantalizing signal from Proxima Centauri, the closest star system to Earth. Dubbed BLC-1, it was a narrowband transmission, the kind we'd expect from a technological source, and it seemed to drift in frequency in a way that suggested it came from a planet. Excitement grew, but after months of analysis, researchers concluded it was likely human-made interference. Still, the search continues, because if an alien signal were to reach us, it might look just like this. Even stranger is SHGBO2+1 for a signal detected in 2003 that appeared to match what scientists would expect from an intentional extraterrestrial transmission. It was observed 3 times, originating from a seemingly empty patch of space near the constellation Pisces. There were no known stars or planets in that region, making the signal even more puzzling. Some speculated it could be an alien beacon, but without repetition or further data, the mystery remains unsolved. Then there's the mystery of the Lorimer burst, the first FRB ever discovered. Found in archived data from a radio telescope in Australia, it was an incredibly powerful burst lasting just 5 milliseconds, but it released as much energy as the sun does in a month. No known natural phenomenon at the time could explain it, and for years, astronomers debated whether it was even real. Now we know FRBs exist, but their origins remain hotly debated. The universe is a noisy place, filled with cosmic static, the hum of distant stars, and the faint echoes of the Big Bang. But buried in that noise are signals that defy easy explanation. Some may be natural phenomena we don't yet understand: collapsing stars, exotic physics, or undiscovered celestial objects. Others might be evidence of something far more extraordinary. Every unexplained signal is a reminder of how little we truly know about the cosmos. They challenge us to keep searching, to keep listening, because one day, we might hear something that changes everything. Until then, the universe keeps sending its cryptic messages, and we're left to wonder what, or who, could be out there.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.